What's going on, YouTube? It's your guy KashDaKoolDad, back again with another video. This time I'm in the truck, no glasses because I'm not outside, but that's neither here nor there. Hope y'all enjoy this video. As y'all seen on the thumbnail, y'all know what time of day it is. This is a Glove Box official. Shout out to Glove Box RX for trusting Kash to present these videos to you all. Today we're using an interior cleaner. I'm only doing the dash and stuff like that. The floors in my vehicle is horrible, but I'm not doing that today. I'm only showing you guys how it look when you do your interior clean. So without further ado, let's go on and groove to this video, man. Hope y'all having all a great day. Y'all know Kash keep some cartridges and some weapons on
If you have something to say, then just spit it out already.
On standby. So today we have glass cleaner. Y'all saw that already. And today we are using the interior cleaner. Hope y'all enjoyed the short on this and seeing how it go through. It goes through clear. If so, I hope y'all enjoy this video, man. We about to go on and start protecting some things, cleaning some things. Let's groove. Up first we have the driver door. It's not too bad, but it's bad because I just went off-roading. I got a little dirt in here, man, so I'm not doing this today. I'm not doing this today. I am doing this today. I am doing all this today. So let's groove, baby. Hope y'all enjoy this, man. American. Let's get it. Alright, so y'all gonna see this here firsthand. My towel. Just prime it. There we go. Oh, I don't like the stream. Hold on. There we go. Spray. Oh, that smells good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. What I do notice is that it dries pretty fast. I am out in kind of like some direct sunlight, but yeah, it dries up real fast. I maybe need to hit it again with another hit. That's what I'm gonna do. Hit it with another hit. I don't like spraying too much around where your speaker is, because I don't want it to go in and do all that weird stuff. But the smell good. It's an easy wipe, and if you get it on your windows, just wipe it off just like that. It's an easy wipe on. That's what I could say. Smells real good. Make sure you guys have some nails or either a brush to get in these creases. Kash have nails, so win-win. Gotta get in them cup holders too, guys. See how this look after one hit, right? Uh-oh, Kash Mooney, y'all. Sorry about that. Have to keep your hand sanitizer, guys. You have to have your hand sanitizer. Alright, I ain't gonna stop it. I'm gonna just bring y'all in. So if y'all was paying attention, I had a little gum grime right here. Look at that. It's gone. Look. It's gone. It's gone. We'll back it up. Shut this door some, back up some, so y'all can see what's going on. There we go. So I got one deal done. And I'm about to show y'all how I do the dash, and then after that, I'm gonna go ahead and circle around the vehicle and come back with y'all. Let's groove. Make sure you put your inserts out and get it in. Man, look how dirty my dash is. Boy. Shout out to KashDaKoolDad. Get there. Now, while we going, let y'all see this. Y'all see what's going on. Let me go on and tackle that. Y'all see what's going on. Let me tackle that. And like that, Kash got it. Dashboard good, hat up there. Hey man, say man, glove box RX for the one. Time for this outro, man. Let's groove, baby. So YouTube, today we use glove box RX interior and glove box RX glass cleaner. The interior smells real good. Y'all saw what it did. Took all the sticky grime off my doors. So, and that's that nubuck leather. And you know that once it get engraved in it or etched in it, it starts sticking. This stuff, let it sit, wipe it off, little elbow grease, boom, off. This stuff, glass cleaner. Ammonia free, great on protected windows, great on windows with tint. All my vehicles have tint, even on the windshields. And I like this stuff, man. No streaks if your tile's clean, but if your tile dirty, you might get some streaks. So if you get the streaks, come back over it with a clean tile. Shout out to Kash, that's a Kash tip. However, if y'all want to get these products, head to Glovebox Detail website. I'm gonna have the stuff in the description. I'm gonna have a code also in the description. So if y'all want to do it, subscribe to Glovebox, go to their website, tune in, stay tuned, because this here's a good one. 2022. Whoo, look how the game changed already. So if the detailing products are changing, the detailers need to be changing. So if y'all here right now, y'all tuned into the newest and improved version of the YouTube detailer. Shout out to your boy KashDaKoolDad. I'm gonna take the hat off so y'all can see it. Shout out to your boy KashDaKoolDad. Without further ado, hope y'all enjoyed this video. Cartoon Kash gone right now. He on a Wednesday vacation. He said it's hump day, so you know what he was gonna do. I don't know, but it's hump day. Shout out to Cartoon Kash. Shout out to each and every one of y'all for taking the time out, like my dude Papa Smurf said, out of your day to come and tune in and watch me talk about nothing, basically, because I'm talking about nothing with some fire products. Talk about nothing with fire products, make a fire video. It's your boy KashDaKoolDad, and we grooving, baby. We out.